Today I will show you how to navigate in the MT5 mobile app. You can install the app from the App Store or Google Play. It depends which software your phone uses. After opening the app, you will go into the settings and choose the option New Account, where you will type the server name FT Trading and choose our server. You will fill your trading account credentials, which you can find in our dashboard, and you will log in into your account. In the MT5 mobile app, the interface is really simple. You have 5 different sections: quotes, chart, trade, history, and settings. Let's start with quotes. Under quotes, you will find all these symbols, but from the beginning, you will only find some presets of Forex pairs. You can add more symbols simply by search bar, where you will type the symbol you want to be in your watch list, and then you just click on it and it's done. To delete some symbols from quotes, you just need to tap on the symbol and quick menu will open, where you will choose the option delete. That's how you can create a list of symbols you are interested in. To open a chart, for example of Euro USD, you just have to click on it and choose chart. That moves us in the second section, and that is the chart. In the top left corner, you will find the time frame of the chart. If you want to change the time frame, simply click on it and choose time frame you want to use. In the middle, you will find options for indicators or objects. If you want to add some indicator or object, you will find it here. In the right top corner, you will find 2 objects. The first one, that looks like clocks, is used for setting up a pending order, and the rectangle in the very right top corner is one-click trading. If you click on it, the option for buy or sell will appear with the volume in the middle. That's all from the chart section. Moving to the trade section, where you can see your balance, equity, and margin with open positions. Under settings, you can log into different trading accounts or change the settings of the chart. Let's move on how to open a trade. The fastest way is to use one-click trading, where you will fill the volume you want to open and then click on buy or sell. To set your stop loss, you have to click on the opening price level line and then just click on SL to set your stop loss and take profit to set your take profit. Once you drag the stop loss and take profit lines where you want to, you just click on the blue arrow and click on modify. Now the second way how to open a trade. If you click in the chart, a menu will appear and you will choose trade. That will open a trade window where you will fill the volume, stop loss, and take profit levels and click on buy or sell. If you want to open a trade on a different symbol, you don't have to open the chart, but if you head over to the quotes and click on the symbol, it will give you an option to open a trade, so you don't have to open the chart. To close your position, you need to go under trade and click on the open position and choose to close the position. And now you know how to navigate in MT5 mobile app.